What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Offbeat Motors. I'm Corey, and today we're going to be solving one of the bigger problems that I have with my 2021 Jeep Gladiator. Okay, so like I had said, the biggest problem I really have with the Jeep Gladiator is where to put the cell phone. There's not really a designated spot other than what this may be, but it doesn't fit. This is a smaller phone that I used to have. This is a Galaxy S9. That fits in there, but my iPhone 12 Max does not. So after recording this video, it was brought to my attention that this has absolutely nothing to do with being a cell phone holder. And in fact, it is a place to hold your key. I think I'll just keep my key in my pocket like I always do, though. Like I said before, you can put it down here. It's out of the way, but I really want something up in here to where I can see it. I tried a mount that goes on the vent. Didn't work out very well because these are flimsy and it just spins and it just would not stay where I wanted it to. So this is my solution. It cost me $59.60. It's from Voswitch. I got it from Amazon. This is the Jeep Wrangler JL phone mount pack. It's not just for JLs, it's also for JL, JLU, and JTs. And let's go ahead and pull it out of the box and I'll show you what it is. Alright, so this actually has two phone mounts on it. Kind of loose right now, but you tighten them right here. And it also has a third mount to be able to mount a GoPro. So when you're out on the trail, you can have a GoPro mounted, looking out the window or looking at yourself. So this goes up here on the dash in place of this cubby where my wife's sunglasses are going to have to find a new home. And it's very simple. You just pull this little mat off. And there are two screws, one here and one here, Phillips. Just got to take those out and then put this in place of it after you. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so what I did was I went and put the screws in here first so that they're poking out the bottom. Lightly set it in place. There it goes. That one caught. There's that one. So getting it started was the bitch. But once you got it started, it's good to go. That's it. So there you have it. My cell phone, an additional cell phone. That's not a working cell phone, it's just one that I happen to have, and a place for a GoPro. That's exactly what I'm looking for, and it solves a big problem on where to keep the phones. I think that's going to work. And there's the sunshade from the other video when I revealed the vehicle. So if you guys are interested in this product, I'll leave a link down in the description below. It will be an affiliate link, so if you do purchase it, I'll get probably 3 or 4 cents out of the deal. So appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.